PNG's collaboration with Pratham Education Foundation began in 2015 with their flagship initiative, PNG Shiksha. PNG has consistently lent its support to Pratham's programs, and in the past year, we have engaged close to 1 million children across 5 states. It is truly a testament of a long-standing and reliable partnership. 98% of children in India are enrolled in schools. But are they learning well? 80% of children in grade 3 and 50% of grade 5 are unable to read grade 2 level text. Our partnership focuses on addressing the learning gap by strengthening the foundational literacy and numeracy skills among young children and sustaining these skills in older children, while enabling the community to help children with their learning.
I think we came together, we had very common goals. We both want children to learn well.
Over the years, the initiatives taken has reached 13 states directly or through government partnerships. In the past year, it has reached close to 30,000 schools and communities.
Our basic strategy has been quite simple. Instructional work in schools, but supported by families and communities.
We believe that the early years are key foundational years. We focus on foundational literacy and numeracy skills through our program Early Childhood Education. Strong learning foundations in the early years ensure that children leap forward in school and do not fall behind in class.
Pratham people trying out all the different activities and methods that we use with children and with families. And as these things begin to show good impact, we then take it with others, particularly the government.
A core initiative focuses on helping children catch up on their basic learning levels and foster a sustainable learning environment with engagement and participation from community members. Community-level engagements revolve around mothers' groups and children's groups, supported by youth volunteers from the community.
पेरेंट्स ये चाहते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा मेरे से ज़्यादा हासिल करे, तो वो एजुकेशन की ओर खास ध्यान दे रही हैं और इन एक्टिविटीज़ में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा ले रही हैं.
As we enter our 10th year of collaboration, we realize that we haven't come this far to only come this far.
So I think in our way ahead, this is the path that we want to go down, and we hope to be able to share this in more locations and with more partners.
The eyes beaming with hope and the happy smiles on children's faces remind us that we are on the right track, and they are the living proof of it.
It would be impactful, right? Impactful not just in terms of the reach that we are creating, but the depth of impact, the meaningful and long-lasting impact that we are able to create for every child that we reach.
शिक्षा सबके लिए प्रथम होना चाहिए. And I think this is the way in which Pratham and PNG Shiksha have come together.